Welcome back, everybody. It's Mark. It's May 21st, 2024. Yesterday, May 20th, we were out on the lake and came across a giant and one of his buddies. We got ourselves just a decent largemouth here. Not too shabby. We're gonna go ahead and, oh, he's gonna freak out. Now don't jump in the damn lake. Stop. People are trying to guess. Okay. This bass, settle down. 16 and a half inches. Right here. So, I'm gonna weigh him. I'm not gonna tell you until tomorrow, around this time. All right. There's that. All right, so I'm gonna talk about this big one for a minute because it was 13 ounces bigger than my PB I caught a couple weeks ago. So I was stoked for sure. When I got it on, I could tell it was a hammer. Its mouth was huge, and I was like, hell yeah, let's get this in the boat. You see me go for the net, and I got in position, and the fish went straight under the boat into, there's a lot of weeds where I was, and I lost it. I couldn't see it, and I kind of just lost focus on the net, and I was focused stern on the fish, and I was like, I will grab this fish out of the water regardless of a net because I wanted it. You see the net go in the water. Yeah. So, you know, things happen in the field of battle. Things that are asinine and hilarious at the same time. Yes! There's my net. Shoo! That's a big ass fish. I'm gonna wrap my head around that for a couple seconds, you guys. We're gonna weigh it. We're gonna give some shit away today. We're gonna do a giveaway on that weight. We're going live today. I cannot wait. $6.11. I beat it by a full pound and an ounce. Wow. All right. I hate to let you go, but we've had our time. We're good, baby. So we did a little contest. Both of those fish added weight in pounds and ounces combined, plus their length, which I gave you guys unwittingly. My bad. But the length was 39 inches. So that was on there. A lot of people got that. A lot of people are around it. Now, that was only the tiebreaker. I don't believe there was a tiebreaker needed. I believe Stephen Wolf is the winner. Bass number one weighed 2.5 pounds, and the big one was 6'11" for a grand total of 9 pounds even. Steven had a guess of 38.5 inches and 8 pounds, 15 ounces. Congratulations, Steven. Send me your address, just in case I don't have it, to mjbfishingllc@gmail.com. Thank you very much for participating. I'll tell you what, you guys, that fish really rejuvenated me. We had a rough go over the weekend. That video will be out this week as well for the USA Bassin Event number 2. But where I'm at right now, boy, I've been out fishing, preparing for what's next. It seems like every time I go out, they're getting bigger and bigger. All right, what'd we catch them on? Both of those fish were caught on this white Googan filthy frog. Right here. I got it on, this is 60-pound braid. This is some spider wire that was given to me by Stephen Smith. It's a little big for what I like, but it's what I had laying around to go ahead and quickly spool up this reel that I wanted to run this with. And I mean, it did the job, of course. You're going to reel in a house before you break off. And I mean, I was stuck pretty good a couple times yesterday and did not even attempt to gap these hooks on this frog. So kudos to the hooks on this Googan frog. So, you know, I like to throw all kinds of topwater. You guys know this. Here's another variation of a walking bait that Steve made. Now, why wasn't I throwing any of this yesterday? I did a little bit in certain places, but there's so much crap on the water as the lake levels are going up that every cast you're just pulling weeds off. It becomes not a good endeavor. So I went with something that sat on top that was basically weedless. And that's what happened. Why white? I don't know. I have success with it. I'm confident with it. There are other colors that they enjoy. But the white one on these mats in the shade seems to get them to come out and look. So, you know, there you have it. But again, I want to thank Stephen Wolf for your guess and your win, and everybody else for playing along. We're going to keep doing this. So have a great day. I can't wait to see you guys in the future. Take it easy.